fellas who are not strangers to Brisbane Truck Show, the Penske crew, Craig Lee, Randall, good to see you again, mate.
Good to see you, Harrison.
And trip over from US is all right?
All good. Happy
All good.
to be here.
And great start. Well, what I was doing is I was just hunting down the big wigs because it's Thursday, all the big wigs are in town. First, we're an hour in, Craig. Thoughts? Stand looks beautiful, by the way.
Thanks, Harry. We're really happy with the stand, and look, it's a credit to the whole show. I think everybody's stand looks fantastic, and you're right, the bigwigs are in town, and I mean the bigwigs of the customers.
Now, Randall, how's the trip been back? Feeling like you're at home?
Yeah, for sure. It's a great day. Not only the new MAN finally really putting it on display, but the Western Star with this X Series is just obviously it's a little bit late, but it's here now, and they're on a boat on the way over, and we can't wait to get them out into traffic.